So this topic is about identifying different transformations. So you kind of have to know the definitions of each type of transformation. A translation is like a slide. So if it looks like the entire figure just slid to a different place, then it's a translation. So if we look at all of these, this one looks like it slid up to here. This one slid just across. This one didn't really slide because it's now in a different orientation. And that didn't slide either because it's in a different orientation. So I believe that these two are translations. So we'll mark those. The other type we need to know is a reflection. And a reflection is kind of like a mirror image. So if you were to like draw a line between them, like in this case, if we drew a line right down the middle, it would look like it would almost be like if you folded that paper right on the line, those two pieces would match up together. This particular one is a reflection. This one is not because it's not sitting the same way. There's one more that we need to go over, and that's rotation. So rotation is like a turn. So it's kind of like the doorknob. When you grab a doorknob and you turn it, then that would be a rotation. And that's kind of what this is here. So if this were the pivot point right here, we could turn this figure and it would be pointing there to our right. So this would be a rotation. So we're going to do another example. Here, let me just erase this line. Okay, we're going to keep our definitions up there. I think those would be good definitions for you to kind of write down. Notice that this one looks like it's turning, so that would be a rotation. This one just slid straight down, so that's a translation. We could draw a line in between here where we could fold it up and these would match up on each other, so that's reflection. These are not the same size. So that's something that we need to understand. For all three of these, they remain the same size. So if size changes at all, then we're going to put none of these. So this one got smaller. So it's not going to be any of those. Okay, let's try one more and then we should be done. Okay, so this one, even though it slid down and to the right, or you could just say diagonal, it is sliding. So this is a translation. This one looks like a turn, so that's a rotation. This is a reflection, and this is another turn, so that's a rotation. And that is the end of our lesson. Good luck with this one. I hope that you're able to pass it off quickly. Thank you.